Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika aka Miss Magic back with another video. Today we are making this delicious mustard fried catfish. So simple and easy. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright, let's get straight on into this easy recipe. I am using catfish steaks here, but you can use fillets. You can use another type of fish. It's basic. Of course, we have to have yellow mustard. That's going to be our binder. And baby, when I tell you, if you don't have this fish fry right here, Andy's red fish breading, this is the best breading possible. And also, this is like the lowest sodium content for fish breading. That's why I really like it. But yeah, this is what's going to take your catfish or any type of fish to a whole new level. I have a plastic bag that I'm going to show you guys how I mix the fish with the breading. I usually just use a plastic bag, and also this is what I'm going to spread my mustard with. So we can go ahead and we're going to shake up this yellow mustard. We're going to squirt it all over the top of our fish. Then we're going to go ahead and take our little spatula thingy and we're going to spread the mustard all over the top. If you don't like mustard, do not be scared with using mustard as a binder. This just helps the breading adhere very well to the fish. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it over and we're going to do the exact same thing. It does give the fish a little good twang, but it's a good twang. You will not taste an overpowering taste of mustard, I promise you. So go ahead and we're going to coat it all over. Make sure you're getting the sides, the insides of the fish, all of that goodness, because we want the breading to bind to the fish. Okay, once we have done that, coated it all over. Once again, making sure we get every little piece of that fish. We're going to go ahead, and I already had some open, so I'm going to pour that in my baggie. But you want to use about 1/4 of a cup of the seasoning, which is perfect for 4 pieces of fish, fillets, or steaks. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to drop each piece in our plastic bag. We're going to seal up our bag. And then we're gonna, let me rinse my hands off. I got mustard on my hands. I'm going to go ahead and seal up this bag. And we are going to shake our fish like a salt shaker. Just go ahead and shake it all up. You want that breading to get all over your fish. Alright, so once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and set that to the side. And what we want to do now is make sure that our oil is prepared for frying. So right now I have my oil on hot. I'm just using regular vegetable oil. You want to kind of deep pot just enough to cover the fish. So now we want to go ahead, heat our oil on high. You want to make sure that the oil is slightly smoking before you drop your fish. And once it's slightly smoking, I guess about 350 degrees, we are ready to drop our fish. It is very important that this oil is hot. You want it to sizzle as soon as you drop your fish, just like that. So make sure that oil is hot. Be careful when you are placing your fish. I'm not being very careful, as you see, but be better than me. Do better. Go ahead, drop all of your fish, at least 4 to 5 pieces at a time, depending on how big your pot is. This one is can take about 4 to 5 pieces of fish at a time. So now we want to drop our fish. Once all of our fish is dropped, you want to go ahead and fry it for about 3 minutes per side. So I'm going to go ahead and fry this side for 3 minutes. We're going to do a little cleanup while we work. Make sure that you have some tongs ready so that you are able to flip them when your 3 minutes are up. All right, after 3 minutes, we're going to go ahead and take our tongs and we're going to go ahead and we're going to flip our fish over. And once you flip all the pieces you're over, you're going to go ahead and fry those for 2 to 3 minutes. Again, depending on how hot your oil was, you're going to fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Guys, please make sure that you have a nice little pan with paper towel on it because you want to drain your grease after your fish is ready. All right, guys, so it has been 3 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and plate our fish on the paper towel. This is important because you want that grease to be soaked up. You don't want to eat a bunch of grease. So let's soak our grease up in this pan full. And also, we're going to go ahead and put our fish to the side because when I don't know if you ever heard the term hotter than fish grease. Fish grease is actually one of the hottest oils that you can ever have in your life. So let's go ahead and put this to the side. And we're going to let our fish cool for about 5 minutes before we eat. All right, guys? I know it's tempting because, baby, this fish is good. But please let your fish cool for at least 5 minutes. Trust me, it's still going to be piping hot. All right, guys. And mustard fried catfish is just not right without a little hot sauce. Use the hot sauce of your choice. We're going to go ahead and put a little bit on our fish. And we're going to dig right in. Be prepared for the crunch. To die for. Nice and tender on the outside and crispy on the inside. Alright, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright, guys, I'm about to eat. See you in past, present, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye.